Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine and doing your studies. The title of the book is Progressive English, Unit 1, War and Peace. Today our topic is fiction, A Christmas Story. Students, you have to open your book on page number 36. Here is the word fiction. Fiction Urdu means afsana. In English you can say literature in the form of prose, mean short stories. The following text is an extract. Extract mean a short passage taken from a text. A short passage taken from a text. From a Christmas story. The following text is an extract from a Christmas story. The storyteller mean कहानी बताने वाला, has bought mean खरीद लाया an old roll top desk in a junk shop. Junk shop mean shop selling second hand goods. Junk shop mean shop selling second hand goods. उर्दू में you can say रद्दी की दुकान, कबाड़ etc. It is very bad condition. यानी इसकी जो हालत थी बहुत बुरी हालत में ये थी. And as he starts to renovate. Renovate mean नया करना, ताज़ीन व आरैश करना. He finds a secret drawer. He finds a secret drawer. Secret drawer mean खुफिया दराज. यानी उसने एक खुफिया दराज देखी जब वो उसको रेनोवेट करने लगा. With a small tin box inside. Attached to the lid mean ढक्कन, is a हैंड रिटन नोट. यानी उसके ढक्कन पे जो था एक हैंड रिटन नोट लिखा हुआ था. जिम्स लास्ट लेटर रिसीव्ड जनवरी 25 1915. यानी ये जिम्स का जो लेटर था ये 25 1915 में उसने लास्ट लेटर रिसीव किया था. टू बी बरीड मीन दफनाना. टू बी बरीड विद मी व्हेन द टाइम कम्स. द स्टोरी टेलर opens the box and finds and reads the letter inside, which is printed for you here. Although Michael Morpurgo's story is fiction, it is based on fact. Fact mean hakikat. British and German soldiers spy. Enemies mean दुश्मन. In the First World War, which lasted from August 1940 until November 1918, did celebrate Christmas together in no man lands on Christmas Day, 25th December 1940. The famous news magazine of the time, the Illustrated London News, printed a now famous artist impression. Impression mean tasor, ख्याल, गुमान, impression of the celebration in January 1915. Now come on next paragraph. A Christmas story. यहाँ से स्टोरी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. डेट इज़ रिटन December 26 1940. डियरेस्ट खूने. पैराग्राफ 1. I write to you in a much happier frame of mind. Happier frame of mind mean बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी, यानी खुशी के रस में जब माइंड बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश था, खुश कंडीशन में था, तब ये लिख रहा है वो. बिकॉज समथिंग वंडरफुल हैज़ जस्ट हैपन्ड. क्योंकि माइंड इतना फ्रेश और खुश था, क्योंकि कुछ जो था वंडरफुल जो था हैपन वाकई हुआ था, डैट आई मस्ट टेल यू अबाउट दी वंस, कि वो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। वी वर ऑल स्टैंडिंग टू इन आर ट्रंचेस। ट्रंचेस मीन खंदक, यू कैन से, उर्दू में आप खंदके से कह सकते हैं, इंग्लिश मीन्स नैरो डिच, नैरो डिच। अपोजिट ट्रंचेस, yesterday morning, Christmas morning, Christmas morning, it was crisp and quiet all about, as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen, as cold and frosty, frosty mean बर्फ से ढका हुआ, as a Christmas morning should be. Trenches mean students, narrow ditch, khandak, narrow ditch, khandak, trenches. Come on, next paragraph, that is paragraph 2. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it, but the truth I am ashamed to say, यानी मैं ये कहते हुए मुझे शर्मिंदगी हो रही है, is that Fritz began, Fritz mean stop working properly, Fritz mean stop working properly, Fritz began, first someone saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. Happy Christmas, Tommy. Happy Christmas, when we had got over the surprise. Some of us shouted back. Some to you, Fritz. Fritz mean, as I have told you people, Fritz mean stop working properly. Some to you, I thought that would be dead. We all died, but then suddenly one of them was up there in this great coat. And waving a white flag. Don't shoot, lads. Someone shouted, and no one did. Then there was another Fritz up on the parapet. Parapet mean Devdar. Parapet mean Devdar. And another, keep your heads down. I told the man it is trick, but it was not. Students, next story we will complete in next lecture, inshallah. Now you have to note down your homework. Reading page number 36, and you have to write and learn the meaning of the difficult words. Write an essay, My House, in your notebook, and also you have to learn it. Next we will teach in next lecture, inshallah. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.